If you're working with legacy data and or legacy versions of Blender and need to update, so you want to load these projects into a newer version of Blender, so rather than doing what we would normally do, which is to open the file into the new version of Blender, which tends to mess up the interface, so now we have to spend time tidying up the interface. A better way of doing this, or a simpler way, a quicker way, is to, in the legacy version, simply copy all the data that needs to be brought into the newer versions of Blender. So in this case we need to be in object mode, so make sure all our object and scene data is in object mode. Then select all, make sure one of the objects is the active object, and then copy. Now, depending on the version of Blender, the legacy version, there won't be a copy option, but copy will still work, and we do that via Control C. So Control C, copy, we'll get a confirmation, and then all we need to do is, in the newer version of Blender, into the scene we just paste. So we can paste because we have that option, or just Control V. So Control V, and there is the data. Now it's worth noting that because of the significant internal differences between legacy versions of Blender and newer versions of Blender post 2.8, all the materials will come in as just a base color. There won't be any texture information. So if we go into shading, there won't be any texture or material data because the materials need to use nodes. So we select our objects, and in material properties we just correct this by enabling nodes, use nodes. We do that for each of the materials. Then we can load in and connect up the missing texture. So either add texture, image texture, as we would normally do, or just drag and drop the missing image, drop that into place and link that up, and that's on our object. Same again for the other object, drag and drop and link that up, and we'll note that it's kept the UV information as well. So we can bring in, simply copy pasting the data from old projects or old versions of Blender, and depending on the data it will bring it in as a copy paste, and we maintain the interface without having to mess around and reset it all. So that's just a quick way of transferring or copying and pasting old legacy data into newer versions of Blender.